Hi, so if you are struggling with your thoughts, you're feeling negative, you're speaking negative of yourself, you keep on thinking, I'm not worthy enough, I'm not good enough, I'm not pretty enough, this and this and this, well, this is something easy you can do. This will probably take you 5 minutes to do. But if you create an image that represents the truth, like even if it's a stickman image or cutting and sticking images from a magazine, you can actually start changing that. Like even if it's something like this, making a stickman picture, writing some words of truth just in your mind there, like I am beautiful, I am good enough, I'm worthy, I'm smart enough, I can learn, all the things you want to believe. And even under your feet, just write the things you don't want to think about yourself about, you're not you ugly or you stupid or just not good enough. Write those things there, because sometimes we get so caught up with the negative thoughts about ourselves, and we really just need to start replacing them with truth. And if you start creating images that represent that, it will start sinking into your subconscious. And every time you want to say that stupid stuff, when you do something and you want to tell yourself, oh, I'm so stupid, that image will start coming up into your mind, and you'll start remembering the truth. But I am good enough, I am worthy. And sometimes we really just need to rip out those lies out of our heart and start replacing them with pictures. And I know this sounds so simplistic, it will be so quick to do, but images really speak to us and they really work. And if you're stuck with this, why not try it? Just start creating images that represent the truth. Even if it's like this, a stickman image with a big circle with all thoughts you should be thinking about yourself, or a pretty image from a magazine and just a bubble going up and just write the thoughts you should be thinking about yourself. But it can really make a difference in your life. And if you want to know more about art journaling with purpose, just comment purpose below. Bye.